Want to see how 1,000 text tokens can shrink to 100? DeepSeek OCR does roughly 10 times compression while keeping about 97% accuracy. This changes how AI reads and stores long documents. What makes DeepSeek OCR different? Unlike traditional OCR that reads letters one by one, DeepSeek OCR treats text as an image, converting entire pages into vision tokens that store both visual and textual data. This achieves about 10 times compression, reducing 1,000 text tokens to just 100, while keeping nearly 97% accuracy, making document handling faster and more efficient for AI systems. Why is this important? AI models have a context limit, restricting how much data they can read at once. DeepSeek OCR's compression lets long documents fit easily into memory, allowing models to process more information faster and cheaper. It effectively expands context capacity, cutting costs while keeping high accuracy, something traditional OCR could never achieve. How does it actually work? DeepSeek OCR operates through two synchronized components, the DeepEncoder and the DeepSeek 3B MOE decoder, that work together to convert document images into structured, readable text. The process begins when high-resolution document pages enter the system. The DeepEncoder acts like intelligent eyes, breaking each image into thousands of tiny visual patches that capture layout, fonts, and structure. These patches are then transformed into compact vision tokens, which compress all that visual information into a much smaller, smarter representation. Once encoded, these tokens move to the DeepSeek 3B MOE decoder, which functions as the brain of the system. The decoder interprets the tokens, reconstructs text, and preserves original document details such as tables, headings, and spacing. Because only a few expert modules activate at a time, it remains both powerful and efficient. This two-stage pipeline allows DeepSeek OCR to handle massive documents using fewer resources while maintaining exceptional accuracy. Unlike standard OCR models that just detect characters, it captures meaning, relationships, and layout context, enabling AI to truly understand documents rather than just read them. The DeepSeek 3B MOE decoder is where the magic happens. MOE stands for Mixture of Experts, which means the system has multiple experts that handle different types of tasks. DeepSeek uses 32 experts in total, but only 6 experts are active during any single run. This selective activation saves computing power and makes the system faster. Even though the decoder has around 3 billion parameters, only about 570 million are active at a time. That's how it stays both powerful and efficient. Once the vision tokens come in from the encoder, the decoder turns them back into text. It not only recreates the content, but also preserves layout elements such as tables, columns, and bullet points. This is something traditional OCR tools usually fail to do. Together, the encoder and decoder make DeepSeek OCR highly capable of reading, understanding, and recreating documents exactly as they appear. DeepSeek OCR comes with 5 distinct modes so that users can balance accuracy, speed, and cost based on their needs. The tiny mode runs at 512 by 512 resolution, using 64 tokens and offering around 20 times compression for quick or low-cost tasks. The small mode works at 640 by 640 with 100 tokens, ideal for regular documents like invoices or receipts. The base mode uses 1024 by 1024 resolution and 256 tokens, offering the best balance between accuracy and performance. The large mode increases detail with 400 tokens and is great for complex layouts. Finally, the Gundam mode adjusts dynamically from 400 to 1,800 tokens for highly dense or multi-column pages. This flexibility makes it useful across many industries. A business can pick lower compression for precision or higher compression for faster processing. Overall, these resolution modes make DeepSeek OCR adaptable for nearly any type of document. How well does it perform? Performance is where DeepSeek OCR really shines. On major benchmarks like OmniDocBench, it outperforms several well-known models, compared to GOT OCR 2.0, which needs 256 tokens per page. DeepSeek OCR uses only 100 tokens and still achieves better accuracy. Against MinerU 2.0, which requires over 6,000 tokens per page, DeepSeek manages with fewer than 800 and still wins. Even advanced vision language models such as Qwen 2.5 VL or Intern VL3 use thousands of tokens, while DeepSeek's base mode matches their accuracy with just 256 tokens, a 15 to 26 times reduction. It's also extremely fast. Running on a single A100 GPU, it processes about 2,500 tokens per second, roughly 200,000 pages a day. That level of speed and efficiency makes it perfect for organizations handling massive amounts of paperwork daily.
DeepSeek OCR goes way beyond traditional OCR capabilities. It doesn't just extract letters. It understands the full structure of a document. It can convert content directly into Markdown or JSON while keeping tables and formatting intact. It can also read charts, graphs, and mathematical formulas, identifying both the visuals and their underlying data. It understands geometric figures in technical diagrams and can even recognize handwritten notes. Plus, it supports nearly 100 languages, making it a strong choice for global use. Unlike older OCR tools that lose layout information, DeepSeek preserves how the document looks. That means digital copies look organized and natural, not messy. Whether it's a form, a report, or a scientific paper, the structure stays as it was originally. DeepSeek OCR is transforming industries by automating document-heavy tasks, from invoices and medical reports to IDs and research papers, turning them into structured digital data instantly. Its optical compression allows AI to process information up to 20 times faster while remembering far more, breaking traditional context limits. This makes workflows in finance, healthcare, and knowledge management smoother and smarter. Researchers see it as a step toward human-like memory, where key details stay sharp while older data compresses naturally. The model's open-source release on GitHub and Hugging Face, with 4,000+ stars in a day, shows massive community excitement. Optimized for GPUs, it runs locally and efficiently. DeepSeek OCR empowers developers, startups, and enterprises alike to build faster, cheaper, and more capable AI systems, bringing cutting-edge document intelligence to everyone. Even though DeepSeek OCR is impressive, it's not flawless. When pushed to extreme compression levels like 20 times, accuracy can fall to about 60%, which limits its use in highly critical applications. Complex layouts, multi-column pages, or handwritten notes can sometimes create confusion. Another open question is whether AI models can reason as effectively on compressed vision tokens as they do on text tokens. Also, while DeepSeek reduces token usage, the image encoding process itself still uses GPU power. So, users need to balance cost and performance depending on the task. Despite these challenges, the model still stands as one of the biggest breakthroughs in document AI. DeepSeek OCR sets the stage for a new generation of AI tools. If this visual compression method continues to improve, it could change how all large AI models process information.
Future systems may store entire datasets, documents, and conversations as compressed visual tokens, making them faster and more efficient. This could lead to smarter assistants, better search systems, and more natural multimodal AI, where text and images blend seamlessly. Some researchers even predict that someday, all major AI models might rely on visual input instead of plain text. DeepSeek OCR might just be the first big step in that direction, reshaping how AI sees and understands the world. DeepSeek OCR completely redefines how AI reads and stores information by merging vision, compression, and language for faster, smarter, and cheaper document understanding. A major leap for automation and research. So, what do you think? Could this be the start of a new era where AI looks at text not as words, but as pictures? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.